1,884 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is just waiting for you to come and buy it. This house is in a nice little area, has a fantastic little front porch, great for during the summertime to just sit, talk to your friends, watch the world go by. Here we are going into the front door. When you go in the door, there's a hallway. This hallway leads through the main living area. There's a little dinette area, and it goes over to the kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, nice wood cabinets, granite countertop, stone backsplash. There's a sliding door that goes out to the back. And what's nice is when you're in your kitchen, like everybody wants nowadays, you're front to back, side to side, you're going to be able to see everybody in the family room. You go through the little dinette area, into the family room. This family room actually goes from front to back. They've opened it up so that you have a large space front to back. You can even use the back part as a dining area and the front part as a sitting area if you wanted to. But a lot of people like the little dinette area. But it's opened up so that you can have plenty of people in here. We're going to go out to the deck first. We're going to come back in through the little dining area, into the kitchen, back through, and we're going to go to the deck. Sliders that go out to the deck, large deck, which goes out to the above ground pool. There are some trees in the back end. The yard is well maintained. It's an easy yard to maintain too. It doesn't look like it's too much. Vinyl siding, air conditioned, gas heat. Again, this is a great area in the summertime to entertain. Just sit out here and barbecue. We'll go back in. I think we're going to go upstairs first after this. Going to head upstairs. Now this is as you come in the front door, the stairs go up. They're carpeted stairs. The 3 bedrooms are carpeted. This little landing area up here is hardwood flooring. And we'll go into bedroom number 1. This one is in the front of the house. Good sized bedroom. Nice double closet. Plenty of storage space in here. Now we go out of this room and we'll go into bedroom number 2. This one is in the rear of the house. Again, nice little bedroom. I'm not going to show you the double closet in this one because it has mirrors and I can't have my face in it, but carpeted. And all the carpets are in very good shape. Outside of the 2 bedrooms, there is a bathroom. It's a full bathroom. Granite counters on the sinks. Tub and shower in here. And it has a linen closet. To store all your beauty stuff. Then we'll go down the hall to the master bedroom. Master bedroom is huge. Goes from the front of the house to the back. Carpeted. And it also has a large walk-in closet. This one has a walk-in closet. This is a real nice big closet. And plenty of space for your king-size bed. And then the Oasis, the master bath. Double sinks, double mirrors. You don't even have to share the mirrors in this one. Nice semi-frameless tiled shower. Walk-in. Real nice shower. This is a shower you can stay in all day with a seat and a jetted tub. You can really relax in this one. Now we'll go back downstairs. Going down the stairs. Here's the front door. And as you come in the front door, there is a closed closet for your guests. There are hardwood. I think I forgot to mention this part. There are hardwood floors that go in the little living area, and also in the hallway as you come in. Now we go downstairs. Partially finished basement. This is the man cave right now. There is a door that goes out to a bilco to go out to the backyard, so you have access to get in and out of here, down here. We have a little walk-in area here that they did tile it, and it's storage. There's a refrigerator, but at the back end, this is where the furnace and the water heater are. Both are gas, and that's where they have their washer and dryer, or your washer and dryer when you buy the place. And it has a little folding table. This home is very warm. It's inviting. I think anybody that lives here would feel very comfortable in this house. We'll go back upstairs. We'll just show you the kitchen one more time and the dinette area. We want to thank you for viewing our virtual tour. If you have any questions, and then back down the hallway to the exit. Thank you for watching our virtual tour.